Morning students. Today I am going to discuss about the international place value system. It is known by internationally for class 5. Even it can be known for every classes also, because this is important, as internationally if we want to move anywhere in the country, any country, we need to go apart from her for any reasons from India also. Then we have to say the internationally what the number called by. So here I am going to discuss about international place value system. INTERNATIONAL. International. It's a big name. So we have to remember on a small pronunciation. It is international place value system. This will be, you will get on your class 5 math textbook also. Here in this system there are similarities about the Indian system also. You can get the similarities between the two place value systems, but a little difference are also there. What the little different it is? The different it is in their names also, and then the placing of their commas. We also insert the commas. Why? Because of this inserting commas. By inserting commas, we can, as well as we can spell it very correctly. So here, as you remember, I am going to write the international place value chart. For first one, it is period. PERIODS. Then second one is for places. So it can be from starting from 1's place, 10's place, then 100 place, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, like this. Then after that places will go for place value. So these are the three things. These three things we have to remember for any number for place values. Here, first of all, we will go for the periods. Internationally, how can we name so far? First of all, we will go for periods. See here, the periods are according to their namings. Everybody should know this, because of otherwise you cannot call whenever you go for a chance in outwards from our country. You have to say the numbers as original into others to the numbers what the number called by. So here first place it is in your text. So what I am going to start, millions place, millions. Then second period, it is after millions, thousands. Actually here I am writing this from the left part, but the correct way it will be in from the far above or right hand side. Then thousands, after thousands it will be for ones. So these are the three periods as in your syllabus. Here if we start from the far apart from our right part, first one is ones place, then second is thousands period, third one is millions period. After millions period it will be for trillions and then billions, and then as we go on as far as possible. Here in this ones place, ones period, there are three places up there. See, I am going to write here. You can also draw this. I have given to you also in your classwork, also class notes here in your WhatsApp group. So places are there where we should write according to the similarities in the Indian system. First one, it is ones place. What we call ones place. Second, it is tens place. Similarities are there. See, tens place. Then third one is for 100 place. HUNDREDS, hundreds place. Then it is over for the ones place numbers are there. There are three places in one places. Even it will continue for the next period, thousands are also there, then the next period, millions are also there, and then billions are also there, then trillions. It will continue as similar to the first one. Second, it is for the 1000. Here also the places are also 3. How many? 3. So first place is for thousands only. We can say 1000, can also say the thousand. THOUSANDS. Thousands. Then 10,000. What we call 10,000. Second places it is THOUSANDS. Then 100,000. HUNDREDS. Hundreds. Thousand. THOUSANDS. I think it is not clear because of very low space is there. Whenever you write in your copies, class notes copies, you should remember, you should give a bigger space. That is why you can write the numbers, write the names of these places. You can write as it will look like very beautiful. Because whenever you have written this, if you could not understood this, then it will be not so well. Then after 1000 place, we will go for millions. Here is also similarities are there. There are 3 places are there in the millions place. First one it is 1 million. What we call 1 million. MILLION. Then next one it is for 10 million. What we call 10 million. MILLIONS. 10 million. Then it will go for 100 million. HUNDREDS. Hundreds million. MILLION. So here it will continue as after million it will go for billion also. Then trillions are also there. Next it will come for, we will go for place values are there. Every numbers, every places have the place value. Every digits have the place values are there. So what we call place value, as we also got the definition in the earlier classes also, we can say the place value of the number, it defines the digits place, where it goes for, where it places for. What we call, it is place value of a digit. There are several numbers you can write. You can write the numbers about 10 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits, more than that also. So here I am going to write the place values of each and every one. One idea I am going to give to you, sir. One of the ideas I will give it to you to remember this. What the idea it is? First one, for one place we can start by the 1. Then for the 10th place we can start 1 and zeros. So it will remember better, sir. It will give you a better idea when you going for the remembering the place values of digits. Say after that I will continue to writing this by placing one of the zeros more. Then here it is 100, 1, 0, 0. Then in the place of 1000 it will continue for one more 0 in the 1, 0 and 0 means 3 zeros are there. Therefore next one it is for 10,000, it will continue for the 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then with the become of a 1. I am writing with the digit 1 only. You can write any other with any other digits also, but there should be a name change in the name. In place of 10, if you write 2, then it will be 2 tens. If you write 3, it will go for 3 tens, like this. Then another one, the 100 place. So it is the place value will continue 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will continue up to the 100 million also. Then 6 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this will continue up to 7 zeros are there for 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it will go for next one. It is for 100 million. It is 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So different places there are increasing their numbers digits as one of the, by increasing any digits we will get to the next place values are there. But the next values, it is next place values. If you go for ones place, then it is 1. Then if you go for tens, one digit more is there, it is tens. Like this, every number should increase by one of the digits. So here we can identify and we can remember also. So there should be a question where we should insert the commas. Where should we insert the commas? After 3 places in the international system. As we have to insert commas for our better understanding. We will place after 3 digits. Every 3 digits you can place a comma here. Then one more it is there after this. Means from where you can count from the far apart from your right. 1, 2, 3. So like this. Here will insert a comma here. That means what? When you insert these commas here, while you are going to write the numbers, then you place the commas like this after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then here up to millions place. So it will continue finish up to 9 digits I think. Then next one, it will come for billions also. It is also a similar case. You can place there 3 digits are there. Though it is continue for millions, then billions, trillions, and then far more that also. We will know up to millions place. Then here this is the full description of the international place value system up to millions place. Now we will go for an example. Therefore that we can understood better. We will go for the example here. We will take a numbers how we can write this in the international place value system. Very simple. No any queries, no any doubts. If any doubts, you can also repeat by seeing this, repeating the videos. Then you can get the once more idea about this international place values. So the numbers I am going to write here, and how we should naming this number as in the internationally. I am going to write here. For example, I am showing you. Later on you will get on your exercise also. Then you will do better with these ideas also. Say here I am going to write a number. For example, 3, 6, 7, 4, 5, 8, 9, 7. I have written about 8 digits are there. You can write more than 8 or less than 8 also. This will show how we can write the numbers as in the international way. First of all, we have to insert some commas. Here, according to the international system, we will write them once again, these numbers in the below part. Why we should write once again? For our correctness and better understanding, sir. So what will count? We will count far apart from right. 1, 2, 3. Then we will place in comma here. Then again 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, every 3 digits we should place a comma is there. Then here we will get the placings are there in the according to the international system, place value system. First we will count this ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, then 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then millions, 10 millions. So the numbers finishes up to 10 millions. That means what? The number is 36,745,897. So this will be the numbers, naming of this number, of this whole number about in an international place value system. We will write here, what we will write? The name of this number is 36 million then 897 EIGST 800 HUNDRED 197 NINE 897 SEVEN. So this is the full name in accordance with the international place value chart. You will get this type of questions in the exercise 2.2. Then 2.1 are also there about Indian place value charts. Then you will try to make this type of questions in accordance to the naming of their by placing proper commas in international place value chart system. Today this much. Then we will do the next in your next class. Thank you everybody.